Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Huel Greens versus AG1. Huel Greens offers a broad spectrum of 91 ingredients, aiming for comprehensive nutritional support. Ag1, on the other hand, provides 75 ingredients, focusing on foundational daily health. Both products are designed to enhance your overall well-being and vitality, helping you feel your best every day. We'll explore their differences to help you decide. Let's dive into what makes each product unique. Huel Greens is packed with adaptogens, probiotics, and digestive enzymes, supporting gut health and stress response. AG1 emphasizes a blend of vitamins, minerals, and whole food-sourced nutrients, designed for daily foundational support. Both deliver essential micronutrients, but their specific ingredient profiles cater to slightly different wellness approaches, offering distinct benefits for your body. Beyond ingredients, taste and mixability are key factors. Huel Greens typically has a natural, earthy flavor profile that many find palatable, and it mixes smoothly into water. AG1 often presents a slightly sweeter, fruitier taste, which some prefer for daily consumption. When considering your choice, also factor in the cost per serving, as prices can vary significantly between the two options. So, which one is right for you? Huel Greens might be your choice if you're looking for a very broad spectrum of ingredients, including many adaptogens and digestive aids. AG1 is often preferred for its focus on foundational daily nutritional support, providing a comprehensive vitamin and mineral blend. Ultimately, your personal health goals and dietary preferences should guide your selection for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.